Hey guys, going to show you some green monster items that we have in stock on our website. So I'm going to start with the fun stuff. We have this green fir wreath with a little hanger. It's super fun. You can just do like a little bow on it and it would be so cute on a door, a window, anything like that. I would use this inside, I don't know, or a covered porch. So little green fir wreath. Then we have this green fir little tree with the red and white detailing throughout it. It is very sturdy, it sits flat, super cute. Then we have a little sign that says naughty and it has a little jute hanger here, green and red thing going on here, and the back is solid. And we have this little fun guy. It's a little Santa outfit with the shoes and the hat. You can sit this, you can put it in a tree, in a wreath, so many different options. We just have him sitting on a shelf back here. And we also have this, we call it a wreath attachment, but you can put it in a tree, wreath, so many different options. Most of the time we'll do it like in a tree, like he's stuck. Anyways, these are super fun and cute, very good quality. They have wire in them so you can bend however you please. And we also have a little little monster hand, and you can put this in a wreath, a tree, so many different options, and his little fingers have wire in them as well. And our little monster pick, which is great for arrangements, trees, wreaths, so many options. And the little hat does have wire in it and it has a little ribbon here. And these could be for Halloween, not just Christmas, or any fun events you have coming up. Just a green fir little ball, ornament ball, whichever. Super cute. And then we also have this little wreath attachment. It says "You're a mean one." Has a little hat, the words, and the feet. We do these in wreaths, we do them in trees. You could hang it just on a door. It does have a hanger. Several options for him. This sign's one of my favorites. It says "Stink, Stink, Stunk." It's the green and white themed. It's wooden, the back is solid, has some glitter on it. And then the last two signs that I'm going to show you is the "You're a mean one." Has little legs, upside down, has a hanger, it's wooden. And then we have our metal monster face sign, and it has the little holes at the top or bottom for you to attach them wherever you would like, but super fun. Then I'm going to get into the ribbon, which is usually everyone's favorite. I just pulled some that I love. We have several more options to choose from in all this collection, but I just pulled a few favorites. So this is a top seller. This is our 10-inch designer mesh, and it has red, white, green, and it's like that metallic type. We sell so much of this. It is a favorite. It's your traditional Christmas colors. And then we also have the green with the red stripes on the end. Also a big seller. This is 10-inch. And then this is, what size is this one? 2.5 inch, and it's 25 yards on this roll, okay? Yeah, 25 yards. And this is your red and green. It's the mesh material, just a 2.5 inch. And we also have this 4-inch, and it's 25 yards also, so you get a lot on this roll. And it's your green, it kind of mimics this, your green and red. Now we'll get into the fun stuff. Look how pretty this is. This is a 4-inch ribbon, and it's the black and white stripe with the little monster legs and candy canes. This has 10 yards on it, so 4-inch, 10 yards. And all the pricing is on our website, www.tmiguest.com. We usually offer a free shipping code on orders $50 or more. Check it out at the top of our website. This is another favorite. I love all these. This is a 2.5 inch and it's 10 yards. And then I'm going to show you all of our green fir options we have. So you have your 4-inch, your 2.5 inch, and your 1.5 inch. Many options for all your layering needs. And it's like, I would personally do like this with a 1.5 or a 2.5. And then this is a red velvet, but it has a green satin back. So it's double-sided, 2.5 inch, 10 yards. This is great for your traditional Christmas colors. This is another fun one. I say they're all my favorite, but this one truly is one of my favorites. It would be cute with like a candy shop theme as well, like gingerbread. It has the little drifts and red little swirlies. It's just very pretty. A top seller that just got restocked is the little monster hand holding the ornament. It's like a red brick theme on the backing. And then we have this green stripe in a 2.5 inch and a 1.5 inch. 10 yards on both of these, and they have like the green glitter edging. Very fun. And this is another top seller. So it's like your red velvet with the green drift. Super pretty. Love that. Then this has been a top seller as well. It's our red like shiny with the green. This is great for your traditional Christmas themes as well. And the last one I'm going to show you is, oh, it's this one. So we have this in a 1.5 inch, that red velvet with the green satin back, and it comes in 1.5 inch as well. So that is our monster theme items. Shop at tmigifts.com, and if you'll search under Christmas collections, there's a green monster theme, and all the products should be there. Ribbons under Christmas ribbon. Anyways, yeah, shop with us at tmigifts.com.